I got an email earlier in the week about Singer releasing a new but classic sewing machine. And I wanted to show it to you because I thought it was kind of interesting, but it didn't quite like hit for me. I don't know. I want to show this to you because I want to see what y'all think about this new Singer sewing machine that's based on one of their classic machines. So this is the Singer HD 500 Classic Gold Sewing Machine. It's on the Singer website. It's currently on sale. And while I respect what they're trying to do and that they're trying to like take some chances with this sewing machine designs, I don't know. I'm not feeling it. So it's about $350. It says combining beautiful styling and power with modern sewing features. The easy-to-use Singer Classic HD 500 sewing machine stitches smoothly through heavy and fine fabrics alike for an exceptional sewing experience. So this appears to be a mechanical sewing machine, so it's not computerized. I think it's a little bit pricey too for the features it has. Here's some photos of it. So it's got like sort of the classic, like let's go back to nostalgia, black, gold, and red. And I actually have a vintage Singer 2012, and it has like, it's like a very beautiful black enamel finish with gold accents. And that's what this Singer HD 500 is like trying to emulate. I don't know, guys. I'm just not into this one. I'm not exactly sure why. I think it's actually because it's plastic. Like, all right. So my opinion, I think if they made this a metal machine with like a powder coated finish, and it was, I'm not like loving like the contour of it either. Like, I think it could be a little slimmer and like sleeker looking. I think if it was metal with a powder coated finish, I would like this a lot more. I don't know. Like, it's like they're trying to dress up plastic, and that just, I don't know, it doesn't work for me. Like, I like what they're trying to do, but it just doesn't hit for me. Like, it doesn't slap. I don't know. Like, would you buy this? Like, if they're gonna go plastic, I would rather they go for, like, fun colors or something maybe, like, more white, like apple or something. But I don't know. This is just not it for me. So it says it's got a 50% stronger motor for higher piercing power on a wide variety of fabrics, automatic needle threader, automatic one-step buttonhole, adjustable stitch length and width, drop feed for free motion sewing, button sewing, and more. Metal frame. I mean, I like that it has a metal frame. I just think this would be a much more like eye-catching machine if this was metal and had like more of a powder coated finish. I don't know. Like, do you like this, or do you... I just don't... It's not really my style. Again, I understand that sewing machines are very taste specific. This is just not it for me. This is just not it. I don't know. It's got free shipping. I also think, like, if they made this metal, mechanical, like it was a nice durable machine and gave it the powder coated maybe with metallic finish, and they priced it around $500, I think a lot of people actually would buy it because it would remind them of a vintage machine. This does not remind me of a vintage sewing machine. It just comes across kind of cheap looking. I don't know, Singer. I'm sorry. Sorry, not sorry. I don't love it. So, I don't know. I saw this and I was like, I don't know. It just doesn't. I'm just not loving it. Anyway, so that's my take on the new Singer HD Classic Gold Sewing Machine. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know, guys.